From the dramatic fjords of Norway, our journey begins. Where the mountains crash into the sea, life clings to the edge.
Senja, a fairy tale written in stone and snow.
Tromsø, the gateway to the Arctic, alive in the polar night. Standing at Nordkapp, looking out at the top of the world. Svalbard, a frozen wilderness far beyond the ordinary. Here, the kings of the ice roam in silence. Roads that dance across the turbulent Atlantic. Beauty lies both above and below the surface. Echoes of ancient explorers whisper in the wind. Iceland's volcanic shores, where fire meets ice. Nature's raw power flows through these frozen lands. Grímsey, stepping stone to the Arctic Circle. Warmth bubbling up from the Earth's deep core. Venturing deep inside the crystal heart of a glacier. Landscapes that feel like another planet entirely. Ancient craters sleeping under a blanket of winter. Resilience is the only law of the North. A solitary journey through the land of frost and fire. And then the sky begins to dance. Greenland's Ilulissat, where giants float in the sea.
Ice that holds the secrets of centuries past.
Nuuk, a splash of color against the endless white.
Moving across the tundra, powered by pause and spirit.
The ice sheet, a desert of frozen water. Life thrives even in these freezing waters. A bond with nature that has lasted for millennia. The Earth is changing, shifting, breaking.
Isolation is not emptiness, it is peace.
Where the sun refuses to sleep. Kiruna, a city on the move in the far north.
Jukkasjärvi, where dreams are carved from ice. A night spent in a palace that will melt by spring.
Abisko, the world's best stage for the aurora. Ascending into the silent, dark Arctic night. The forest is quiet, but it is never empty.
Trees bowed down in reverence to the winter.
Warmth and stories shared against the cold.
Speed and freeze 'em across the frozen lakes.
Every step is a journey into the wild.
Rovaniemi, where the magic of childhood lives forever.
Sleeping.
The rolling fells of Urho Kekkonen National Park. Fire and ice, the Finnish way of healing.
Gliding through the silent, snow-heavy forests.
Silence is the loudest sound you will hear. Born to run, eager for the trail ahead.
Perfection in every single falling flake.
A timeless journey through the heart of Lapland.
The ancient Khibiny Mountains, standing guard in the east. Teriberka, where history rests on the edge of the world. When the summer comes, the night forgets to fall. Stones polished by the relentless Arctic Ocean. The tundra, vast, unforgiving, and beautifully empty.
Watching over the bay through the endless winter.
Human engineering challenging the frozen grip. Life here requires a different kind of strength. Time stands still when the water freezes.
Harnessing the wind of the open plains.
A beacon of light in the great dark north.
Churchill, the polar bear capital of the world.
Venturing out to meet the lords of the Arctic.
Giants at play on the shores of Hudson Bay.
In summer, the white whales return home. The sky opens up a portal of color.
The true north, strong and free. Stone markers guiding the way for generations. The ever-shifting landscape of the frozen sea.
Art trapped beneath the surface of the ice.
Silent hunters ghosting through the air. The Sami people, guardians of the north. Traditions crafted from the land itself.
The eternal cycle of the reindeer herds.
Songs that echo the wind and the mountains.
A simple life rich in heritage and history.
The Arctic fox, master of winter survival.
Survivors from the Ice Age, standing strong. Giants resting on the rocky shores.
Invisible to all but the sharpest eyes.
Wolves of the sea, hunting in the deep fjords.
Winter paints its own masterpieces.
Rising above the clouds, the world changes.
As above, so below. Every breath is a reminder of the cold.
A spark of life in the frozen void.
The path less traveled is often the most beautiful.
A land where the day can last forever.
The ocean breathes into the freezing air.
Silence falling, flake by flake.
Guiding light at the edge of the known world.
Brief moments of gold before the long white winter.
The true giants hide beneath the waves.
Solitude is not loneliness here.
Life clings on in the smallest of places.
Flowing frozen through the veins of the earth. Moon watches over the silent peaks.
We are small against the scale of nature.
This is the Arctic. Raw, wild, beautiful. Explore the last true frontier on Earth.